as to what this really means for the Indian economy as of now?
See, Nabila, the announcement is focusing towards vocal for local, Atmanirbhar Bharat, against the tariff threat. Now, Honorable Prime Minister is focusing on domestic demand and providing boost to the key sectors and key industries. If you look at rate rationalization, which you talked about, we are presently having 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, and there is compensation cess on certain items applicable. Now, what is being announced today, that there will be only two-tier rate, 5% and 18%, meaning thereby the slab of 12% will go away, 28% slab will not be there. It is going to be applicable only for few products, and compensation cess which is gone will not be there.
Fantastic.
So, the impact would be.
Did we have to wait for Trump tariff threat for the GST to go down? Because you had the entire country up in arms, upset that we have such heavy GST prices to pay. But well, better late than never.
No, it's a great announcement. Look at Nabila. We were looking for this rate rationalization, this announcement of two-tier rate, 5% and 18% going to boost the economy. Our demand will go up in the market because rate will go down, and it is going to help all common men, Aam Aadmi, society at large, farmers and everyone. If rate is going down, quite obvious demand will go up, and if demand will go up, then this will boost to the local domestic economy, and that is what Honorable Prime Minister is targeting about. And this rate rationalization was a long demand. We are into 9th year of GST. This is the one of the thing. And then second important thing, the stability. The rate stability will come into the picture. Today we are having classification dispute. What rate going to be applicable? But once this rate rationalization is being done, for that group of ministers sitting and talking with the state, and this is going to be proposed in September or October, next 56 GST Council meeting. This rate rationalization will add to all our domestic demand. Our key sector will get momentum. They will get incentivization, and thereby the impact of the tariff threat we can reduce to certain extent, and whatever we are finding that going to be negative because of tariff threat will be add up with the domestic demand.
Bimal, my last question to you. GST rejig, come Diwali, there's going to be a big gift for India, more spending power for us Indians, we'll have more money in the pocket. Your quick take on what to look out for?
See, the three pillar which is being announced today, structural reform, there would be less dispute on classification and more stability and predictability on rate and policy decision. And most importantly, ease of living. Registration, now it is being stated by Honorable Prime Minister today, is going to be technology driven, seamless, within the time bound. So any startup want to take registration in GST, it would be given within the time bound manner. And even return filing in GST going to be pre-filled return would be available to the taxpayer, trader, so that return can be filed seamlessly. And the refund one, whenever we are exporting, all exporter, that a time-bound refund would be given to them. Even though you are doing inverted duty structure, what is the inverted duty structure? That I'm purchasing raw material at a higher rate, but my outward is at a lower rate, then the accumulation of credit. Government has announced they are going to done away with IDS concept, and now they will minimize this aspect, and wherever required they will give the refund to the manufacturer, domestic manufacturer, if IDS is coming out. So overall summary from GST perspective would be, it is focusing on vocal for local, self-reliant India, and making GST good and simple tax for the domestic trade. Right. And once domestic trade is boosting up, our key sector boosting up, the motivation coming in, and the rate rationalization for the common man, when it is going down, quite obvious, my demand will go up, my consumption will go up, and it is going to add my GDP, which we are finding as a countermeasure against a tariff threat, which is being given by Donald Trump. But to me looks like these measures are needed to boost our own economy, domestic economy, and then we can counter whatever threat we are getting from outside India.
Okay, well, it took Trump tariffs to finally bring down GST rates. We're very happy with that. Thank you very much. I really appreciate.